In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp chat to your Wix website. Whether you're running a small business, managing a blog, or simply looking to provide better communication options for your visitors, integrating WhatsApp into your Wix site is a fantastic way to connect with your audience in real time. It's quick, easy, and incredibly effective for improving customer engagement. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional WhatsApp chat feature on your site, ready to help you stay in touch with your visitors instantly. Let's dive in and get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wix Editor for the specific site you want to modify. The editor is where all the magic happens, and it's the place where you can design, tweak, and enhance every element of your site. Once you're in the editor, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a plus icon there, which opens up the menu for adding new elements to your site. Clicking this icon will give you access to various options you can use to enhance your site's functionality and appearance. From the menu that appears, select the option to add an image. This step is important because we're going to use a visual element, something like the WhatsApp logo or a related graphic, to indicate the chat feature to your visitors. If you don't already have an image ready, you can download the WhatsApp logo from a trusted source beforehand. Now upload your chosen image to Wix and add it to your page. Once the image is on your page, position it where you want it to appear. For instance, you might want to place it in the bottom right corner, as that's a common and intuitive spot for chat options. Feel free to adjust the size of the image so it's noticeable without being intrusive. Next, let's create the link that will connect this image to your WhatsApp chat. To do this, head over to a WhatsApp link generator service like WA Link. These tools are free and simple to use. Once you're on the site, you'll need to input your phone number, including your country code. It's important to avoid using any unnecessary symbols or spaces. Just enter the digits cleanly. After you've entered your number, click the option to generate your WhatsApp link. The tool will create a unique link that people can use to start chatting with you directly. Once the link is ready, click the button to copy it to your clipboard. You'll need this link for the next step. Now, return to the Wix editor and click on the WhatsApp image you added earlier. You'll notice a small link icon appear. Click on it to access the linking options. In the menu that pops up, select web address as the type of link you want to add. Then, paste the WhatsApp link you copied earlier into the appropriate field. Make sure the link is correct, as this is what will allow visitors to connect with you through WhatsApp. Once you've pasted the link, click Done to save the changes. At this point, your WhatsApp chat button is almost ready to go. To make sure everything is working correctly, preview your site, look for the WhatsApp image, and click on it to test the link. If everything's set up properly, it should open WhatsApp and allow you to start a conversation. And that's it. You've successfully added a WhatsApp chat feature to your Wix website. This simple addition can make a big difference in how you interact with your visitors, giving them a quick and convenient way to reach out to you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.